I don't mean like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business coming.
Okay, so y'all can hear me. I'm about to back up a little bit. I'm actually about to start cleaning up in this living room because, as you can see, damn, it's a hot ass mess in here. And this is the year of decluttering because I'm tired of this and we're working on a house. So it's time to declutter a lot of this stuff. This ain't happening no more. Let go. Now, I don't know if y'all gonna hear me while I'm doing this. I don't know how good this is gonna do, but I'm gonna try my best. Anywho, how y'all doing today? I got this microphone off of Amazon. Right now, I can't talk to y'all and clean. I get distracted very quickly. So let me go ahead and handle this real quick and then we're gonna come back. See, eventually we're going to get in this pantry over here because I can't really walk in there. So we're going to get in here eventually, but I ain't going to get in here today. I kind of already have, let me just show y'all. Kind of already have some stuff in a basket right here. That's going to go to the storage. This is like a full of blankets, pillows that we're not using, like holiday stuff. And then I also want to take my, when I did have my business, I want to take, let me see if I can show you guys. Down here, that's my hat press that my uncle helped me get. So I'm going to take that to the storage. All of this stuff needs to get out of here, like ASAP. ASAP, y'all. Change of plans. After I finish cleaning the living room up and getting all like them bags and stuff up, we about to go to the storage and take this stuff, and y'all about to come with us. So we'll see y'all in a minute. So much things to see, and I don't know. Yep, you're right. Yep, go ahead.
It's recording. I pushed it.
Push the red button.
I did.
Okay, push it again.
No.
Okay. Come on, big girl. Put the pillow in here. Don't be lazy. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, get ready to cake. Let's go. I didn't want to get you doing that again. Okay.
Which way are we supposed to turn now?
Oh, baby, I gotta turn.
Two hours later.
I am now in my dirty ass room. Well, the bed is dirty. Let's get it done. I got a couple more hours before the sun goes down. I'm really not trying to clean up tonight, but it's been a productive day and I'm decluttering. So I'm gonna pat myself on that back. Amen. Amen. Let's get to work.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
My baby been doing good today, so I'm about to give her some money. She's been helping me record. She's been helping me do stuff in the storage and clean up her mess. So she's getting some moolah. Here, babies. There you go.
Thank you.
Go put that in your piggy bank, please.
How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
I'm trying to get my edges back. I'm using this Strengthening Balm Feel It formula by African Pride. I'm gonna try this for a month. I use some of the old school Blue Magic olive oil, but this is a leave-in conditioner. Never knew about this. And then I'm gonna just, to define my curls, I'm gonna just stick with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Defining Styling Gel. I only put a little bit of that, but I use the African Pride just for my edges because, baby, they need to come back. And then I'm just taking a tiny bit of that curl gel stuff. I don't even put it in my hair. I just rake it through, sort of. It smells good. Just do the same thing to the other side, pretty much. Conditioner, rake it through my hair. I'll be having shit to do. And ooh, look at that. Okay, back in action. Ugh. Alright, curls popping, curls popping. And then I'll usually, sometimes I'll pull my baby hairs out, but sometimes I don't like to. But in this case, we're gonna do it today. First, I don't go buku crazy. I don't, and I just tip for that teeth, comb and brush, Keep it simple. Comb and brush. And brush. Boom. We're gonna pull her out right here. And we're gonna dab her up, comb her up, and whip her up. Boom. Dab her up, comb her up, and boom. You make me look like a little girl? Mind your business. Mind your fucking business. Because I like doing my hair like this sometimes. It shows you that. Oh! So now we just gonna tie it up. We're gonna tie this shit up. And then that's it. Around. Wrap around. And boom, I'm done.